What's the meaning of chemically? Chemically. Chemically.
Chemically. Chemically. Chemically refers to anything related to the properties, reactions, and composition of chemical substances. Chemically, a substance can be described in terms of its molecular structure, bonding behavior, and physical properties. The result of a chemical reaction can vary widely depending on the reactants, conditions, and type of reaction. Chemical reactions can result in the formation of new molecules, the breaking down of existing substances, significant changes in temperature, and the release or absorption of energy. Understanding chemical reactions is essential for fields such as medicine, materials science, and environmental science.